Hi Capricorn, welcome to Aurora Hotels. This is your monthly forecast for March 2021. You can look this up for Sun, Moon or Rising sign. This is a general reading, so to book your personal reading, please find my details in the description section below. I have 3 cards laid out here. I will also be taking out a guidance card from the Oracle deck. So let's start the reading. So we have Tower, we have Sun and 3 of Wands over here. With Tower over here, I see emotional meltdowns, anger issues or some kind of a disruption. There is a sudden unexpected change coming in. I will take out one more card. We have 10 of Swords here. You may be let down at many levels. Looks like a extremely bad backstabbing experience for you. You must be facing a roller coaster of emotions right now. Some of you may be losing a job or maybe working in a highly pressurizing job environment. Those in relationship may face abandonment. With 3 of Wands here, some of you may be finding it extremely difficult to cope up with the demands, be it at home front, relationship or at work. You are at a certain stage or phase of your life which is based on a rocky foundation, or your relationship is not having that solid foundation, or even if it's your friend circle which is standing on a shaky ground. I think eventually the aspects of your life which are not standing on a solid foundation will see that the cracks are appearing. If you're single, the Tower can be a sign that dating is an extremely painful experience and you might want to avoid it altogether. You will have to rid yourself of emotional fears that you're facing and the abandonment issues that probably you could have faced in your past to move forward. With Sun here, it could be breaking through a bad relationship or a job which is not working out for you. Probably you're releasing yourself from something which was causing you immense trauma and immense pain. For some, I felt it is an awakening of some sorts, be it emotional or spiritual. Tower shows up when you are required to free yourself from what is enslaving you. Shattering as it is, it also gives you flashes of genius and aha moments. So when you break through those moments, you would have your own share of enlightenment and the moments which would release the negative energy. Let's move to the next card. We have Sun over here. Everything is going to work out for you. The ending that is signified by Tower is something which will put you in a much better place. The Sun represents success, joy, sunshine, warmth, happiness. So it's actually showing up after a cold winter in your life. So the Sun over here is a big yes card in a very positive sense, that it will give you what you want and desire. And you're encouraged to apply for that job you wanted to, take that holiday, ask your crush out for a date, seek out for a better relationship, and improve the connects with your family. The Sun over here represents the card of acceptance. So accept yourself, accept your situation, your circumstances. Forget what happened in the past. It had to go. So move on. With 3 of Wands here, you already are ready for a renewal. For some, it also tells you that you walked too long on the same old path. And now is the time to change. Now you're ready for a new beginning. So seek out for a new path which will take you to a direction where you would be able to achieve your dreams and achieve your goals. For some, there could be a career in writing, project management, or some maybe even taking up freelancing. So if I have to summarize this, if you are having some trouble in your life or some problems at work, don't fret. You will have a happy outcome. But you will have to release what is not working for you. You will have to release the negativity in your life. You will have to release the negative emotions in your life. You will have to release negative people in your life. So look forward to what the sun is bringing for you. Be ready for that positive change. So let me take out one more card. We have taking shelter here. The message it reads is the answers are within. It's a beautiful culmination card. So when winter comes or it's a stormy night outside, one needs to take shelter. So retreat, replenish your inner resources, renew your energy, incubate your ideas for future. Do what it takes to take care of yourself. You have to wait for that storm to pass. So remove clutter, mend the objects that are not working at your home. So do that spring cleaning, throw the things that you don't need anymore. Bring in that fresh energy in your environment so that it can create more positivity around you. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and you were able to resonate with this reading, please do leave a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Subscribe to Aurora Foretels for more oracle updates. Thanks for watching. Much love. Hi Aquarius, welcome to Aurora Foretels. This is your monthly forecast for March 2021. You can look this up for sun, moon or rising sign. This is a general reading, so to book your personal reading, please find my details in the description section below. I have 3 cards laid out over here, which will highlight the message for March 2021. I would also be taking out a guidance card from the Oracle deck placed over here. So let's start with your reading. So we have 6 of Pentacles, Page of Wands, 10 of Pentacles over here. So with 6 of Pentacles, I feel some of you may be involved in some kind of a charitable cause, or you may also be lending some money to somebody who's younger to you. Could be a younger sibling, could be a young friend, or could be your children. With 6 of Pentacles and 10 of Pentacles, for some, inheritance may be coming your way, or probably a windfall and some unexpected cash. With Page of Wands here, some of you may also hear a good news about some investments that you've made. Some of you may also be investing in some new business, or some of you may be even going for further studies, or you would be investing in your child's study. Some of you are planning on starting something new or entering a new phase in your life. Whatever it is that you are planning, you are caught up with a lot of enthusiasm and there's a lot of excitement around it. You just can't wait to get started. Whether it is your new venture, a new project, a new job, a new training, or even it could mean a new course of study. It's likelihood that a woman may help you in the sense that she will be able to put in a good word for you. I also see that some of you are in the process of changing your job, or you would have already started applying for a new one. If you've been unemployed for some time, you may find a mentor to help you out. You may get a job, but it may not be exactly what you're looking for, but it would surely be a good start. For those who are in a relationship, from outside your relationship appears to be going well, but under layers there are some hidden issues. Some of you seem to be stuck in a one-sided relationship. Bring things up that are important for you. It is high time that you stop shoving things under the carpet. If you are single with Page of Wands here, you may find someone younger to you, someone who could be of a Sagittarian sign. You will be head over heels in love with this person. And this relationship would be very spontaneous and exciting. For some of the singles, I feel they may want to go for a traditional type of a partner or may find a traditional type of a partner. In summary, I see that you would be turning into a new leaf and moving into a completely new paradigm of your life. Expect an open, free future wherein your choices would determine your life. So make long-term plans, confront your fears, and a rewarding life is coming your way. So I would take out one more card from this oracle deck. It says watching clouds. The message over here reads lie back, rest and relax. I think it's a perfect message with too much going in your life and probably you are just missing out on taking that pause. So lie back, relax. Don't forget to take rest and rejuvenate yourself from time to time. Take opportunity to be present in each moment and answers that you're seeking would emerge easily. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and you're able to resonate with this reading, please do leave a comment and give a thumbs up. Subscribe to Aurora Foretels for more oracle updates. Thank you. Much love. Hi Pisces, welcome to Aurora Foretels. This is your monthly forecast for March 2021. You can look this up for Sun, Moon or Rising sign. This is a general reading, so to book your personal reading, please find my details in the description section below. So it's your birthday month, so wishing all the Pisceans a very happy birthday. Hope you have a great day and a fabulous year ahead. So I have 3 cards laid out here, which will highlight the message for March 2021. I will also be taking a guidance card from the oracle deck over here. So let's start your reading. So you have 8 of Wands, Page of Cups and 9 of Cups. What a combination to have on your birthday month. This is so awesome. 8 of Wands indicates action and progress. Page of Cups is positive news on its way. 9 of Cups is a wish card. So ask for what you want and the universe will give it to you if you really work towards it. So with 8 of Wands over here, things will happen really fast. You have the wind in your sails now. The skies are bright and clear. So steam ahead with whatever it is that you're doing. So if you have some unfinished business, you would be able to reach the finishing line successfully. If you are feeling stuck, you can see where you're going now. You will get a sense of direction. Your aims, dreams and ambitions are on track and you will move forward with vigor to achieve them. If you have been struggling with an issue that was complicated, then 8 of Wands will unravel it fast and you will be able to reach a resolution quite rapidly. In some cases, you will find that certain issues will reach their natural conclusion and you will be much relieved. With Page of Cups here, you are currently unable to grasp 100% of what you're doing, but you're doing fine. So stay on the path, as in the future, you would be able to understand the things better. There may be a chance that a mentor appears out of nowhere to give you an advice. So don't close your channels. Keep meeting people. You may find somebody who can help you and support you. Don't shut yourself. Generally, when the page pops up, there is a good news on the way that will lift you emotionally. The news is bound to be happy, positive and exciting. You could also be getting an invitation to a party, celebration or a wedding. With both Page of Cups and 9 of Cups, your psychic power would be enhancing at this point of time. So if you have a gut feeling for something or someone, then probably it is right. Try and follow your heart and your natural instincts and avoid getting influenced. You will know the right thing to do and the right thing to say. From career perspective, you may be at the beginning of a new learning curve in your career. searching for more depth to meet the demands of the job you're currently in or you would like to be in. Or your work or your business demands you to probably take a workshop or study further that could help you to be more competitive. Since we have cup cards over here, it suggests creativity and happiness in your career. So if you are looking for a career change, you are going to take up a career or a job which is going to make you extremely happy and satisfied. Even in your existing position, you would move towards making your job more satisfactory and a job that gives you real happiness. You are going to be taking up a career or a job which is going to make you extremely happy and satisfied. You indeed would be very proud of your achievements and will place yourself exactly where you need to be. You will get that recognition and praise that you deserve. You may be a sought-for resource and be much in demand. This is also a good time for singles to find love. You may meet someone younger or someone you knew from childhood or younger years who may be very suitable for you now. With Page of Cups over here, I see head over heels kind of love here. Some of you may have a friend who would need your attention or support. So overall, if I just summarize this reading, it is telling you that everything is going to work out in your favor. Just keep moving. Don't be stagnant. Don't be complacent. And believe in yourself and believe in the universe to reward you for your efforts. Let's take out one more oracle card. We have Wandering Path. The message it says is enjoy the journey. So beautiful message. So stop trying to figure out where you're going. Stop trying to control the end outcome. Be present in the moment and don't spend your energy overthinking or worrying about what happens next. Spending all your thoughts and energy on what will happen in future will only exhaust you and cause you to miss out what is happening right now. So be present. Enjoy the journey, learn from the things around you, and enjoy the little joys of life. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and you're able to resonate with this reading, please give a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Thanks once again. Wishing you a very happy birthday. Much love.